Good evening everyone. My name is Gyanen from English with Village Vlog. Guys, as you know, I am from a village area and I have learned English without any environment, without any teacher. I have learned English by myself. How I have learned this language, let me tell you today. So guys, if you also want to become fluent in English, if you also want to speak this language, so guys, don't cry for this. Don't like become so much stressed. So I am going to tell you how to become fluent in English. Guys, believe me, because you know I am from village area and I have learned English without writing, without reading, without any teacher, without any environment. If I can speak English fluently without anything, so why can't you? Of course you can. So just do what I am going to tell you guys. Suppose no matter where you are, you can start speaking with what? With tenses. First thing first, just work on your tenses. If you have learned tenses, suppose present tense, past tense, future tense, so it's enough to start speaking. So now what you have to do is just start speaking. But you don't have partner to speak. Now again we have one problem, that how can I practice being alone? So of course you have so many way to practice to become fluent English, because I have also faced lots of problem, but I didn't make excuses, that thinking, oh, I don't have any partner, I don't have environment, how can I practice, how can I speak? So of course you can. So guys, if you have learned tenses, so you can start. Suppose I have learned tenses but I don't know anything, I don't have anyone to practice. So now what I am going to tell you, just see guys. So now I am going to speak one simple story by myself, then I will speak one conversation story, because you have to go through basic thing. Of course don't run after advanced thing. So let me start first, so that you can understand what I want to tell you. Suppose, okay, I'm going to speak what I did yesterday, because I don't have any partner. So of course whatever I'm going to speak, I have to speak by myself. Whatever I did, whatever I will do, whatever I'm going to do. So let's start. So yesterday I woke up early in the morning, I got fresh, and then I took breakfast. After that, my mom, she asked me to go to field. I went to field and I worked there. Then I came back to my home. I took shower. Then my mom, she made lunch. Then she gave me lunch. I took lunch. After that, I went into my room and I started watching TV. My father, he went to market and he bought lots of vegetables and fruits. Then he came back home and he gave me lots of fruit to eat, and I ate those fruits. And around 9:30 p.m. I took dinner, went to bed and slept. Guys, did I do anything in order to speak anything? No. I spoke with the help of tenses, and I used only past simple tense, like subject plus second form. If you know this structure, this is tiny structure guys. Subject plus second form, you can speak lots of things, such as I'm going to show you how. So yesterday I was at home and I was alone, so I thought I should do something. Then I went to my kitchen, I made one cup of tea, then I took tea, then my mobile, I took my mobile and I called my friend and started talking to my friend. Then uh, after that I went to market and I bought so many vegetables. Then I came back home and then I made lunch, then I took lunch and took siesta. And finally in the evening my parents came and then I told them everything. Then I went to my nearby friend's home, I talked to him, I spent 1 hour. Then I came back home, took dinner, went to bed and slept. Why am I able to speak? Because I know structure. We have 9 structure in past, we have 9 structure in present, and we have 9 structure in future as well. If you don't know this situation, you can comment me. I will teach you, I will tell you all kind of situation to speak. Guys, I of course I teach online, and of course whatever I just give them, I can understand that my trick is working. They are able to speak. So don't think so many things. It's a language, guys. If I push you to learn this language, of course you are going to learn. So that time in my time there was no one who could push me, but yes, here there are so many people to push you. Speak any simple story with the help of second form. Then go for conversation practice. Suppose now this time I am going to show you how to show conversation in a story. Like we have two structure: asked and said. After asked, you are supposed to ask question. It could be any question in present, past, future. And after said, you have to reply as per the question. So let me tell you how. Okay, yesterday I was in my room and my mobile was on the table. All of a sudden my mobile started ringing. I received that call and it was my friend's call. Then I asked my friend, hey, how are you? Then my friend said to me, I'm great. See, I asked my friend, how are you? He replied, I'm fine. What about you? Then I also said, yes, I'm also great. Then my friend asked me, okay, where are you? Then I said, I'm at home. Then my friend asked me, okay, have you taken breakfast? Then I said, yes, I have taken breakfast. What about you? Then he also said, yes, I have also taken breakfast. Then we talked a lot. After that, I hung up the call. Then my mom came. She asked me, Gyanendra, will you go to school today? Then I said to my mom, yes, I will go to school today. Then my mom went from there. Then after that, my father came. Then he asked me, where is your brother? I said to my father, oh, he might be at Subham's home. He said, okay. He then I then my father said to me, okay, go and call him. I said, okay, I'm going. Then I went to my neighbor's home. Then I found my brother talking to Subham, and asked. I said to my brother, hey, father is calling you. Then my brother said to me, okay, I'm just coming. Uh, then my brother asked me, why did father call me? I said, I don't know why father called you. Then he said to me, okay, tell father that I'm coming. I said, okay. Then I came back to my home. Then I said to my dad, uh, brother is telling that I'm coming after some time. Then my father said to me, okay, okay, fine. 10 minutes हुई है.
7.
Then of course, and then my mom, she gave me some food. I took food. Then I thought I was feeling bored, so I thought I should go somewhere. Then I went to nearby park. I saw so many people were there, and I found a girl sitting alone. So I went there and I asked, hey ma'am, may I know who you are? She said, yes, of course, my name is blah blah blah, and I have come here to take rest. I said, okay, because I asked, then I said, okay, that's great, that's great. Then she asked me, what is your name? Then I said to her, my name is Gyanendra. She asked me, what do you do, Gyanendra? I said to her, I am a YouTuber. I make English, I make videos. I teach English online. She said, oh, that's great. Then we both started talking to each other, and that is how we practiced. And there is no one, of course. So guys, you can also practice like this. Now it is going to start raining, so I'm going to finish this video, and I hope you must have liked this video. You must have understood. You can comment me. I will guide you, I will motivate you, and I will tell you how to become fluent in English. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye.